Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, like and share. Guys, come with me. We see how the construction progress has been going on. This is a project which was initiated by the former President Uhuru Kenyatta. Most of the project have stalled from the former government. We like to see if this project is a work in progress with the current government. This is the roundabout that connects Jogoo Road and Likoni Road. And on my right hand side here, this is St. Stephen's Church along Jogoo Road. It is actually at the junction of Jogoo Road and Likoni Road. From the initial point here of Jogoo Road, you can see this is Likoni Road. You can see that the contractor worked for this project at a very good pace and the road is well done. This is the same road that goes to National Transport and Safety Authority, the NTSA of Kenya, here at Likoni Road branch, Nairobi. At this point here, this is the elevation for the Underpass Railway. From the initial point before the elevation for the railway, you saw that the road was well done with pavements. But this other part, after the elevation, you can see the road is also well done, but the pavement are yet to be finished. This big building here, painted white on my right hand side, is BHACHU Kenya, a company that manufactures cigarettes. Partially on this road, you can see the pavements are well done, as well as the road. The purple building on my left hand side, that is Kenya Institute of Curriculum Education Offices, a new building that has come up along this road. For those who don't know where the Manji Biscuit is located, here it is on my left hand side before the entry of this roundabout of Likoni Road. And these two tanks on my left hand side is GSK Kenya, a company that closed business in Kenya recently. It is actually the company that neighbors the NTSA Kenya. And this is the National Transport Safety Authority here. This is part of the road where the contractor has done a very good job. From here now, you join the Enterprise Road where you'll go to General Motors. If you go to the right hand side, you're going to Enterprise Road, Jogoo Road. And if you go to this left hand side, you're going to General Motors along the Enterprise Road. This road is also under construction. It was initiated by the third president of Kenya, Mwai Kibaki. It was progressed by the fourth president, Uhuru Kenyatta, and it is also a work in progress by the fifth president, William Ruto. From this point, you can see that the road is not done yet, so we hope the contractor is still on site. So our guess was right. You can see the contractor is still on site working on this road. seems this road has taken so many years to complete, but we hope with the current government this road is going to be completed soon. For those who don't know where the FAW Motors and SANNY Motors is located, their offices is here on my left hand side. We are now entering the General Motors Kenya. You can see the red banner written Isuzu. And this will be the end of our journey today. Kindly remember to subscribe, like and share.